ASCII value in the keyboard. So if you press capital B, system cannot understand. It converts internally ASCII format, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For every character, there is a ASCII value. That means computer understands only ones and zeros. So that's why 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte, 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabyte, 1024 petabytes is equal to 1 hexabyte, 1024 hexabyte is equal to 1 octabyte, 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte, 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte, and 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. If you see same measurement in mathematical range, normal range and big data range, kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, and petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, and brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. My dear students, please keep in mind, we need to measure the data in the bits and bytes. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. So today I am going to explain 10 modules. This is the syllabus, Introduction to Data Science, what it consists of, fundamentals, components, workflow, and data science tools and techniques, and followed by the applications. Then Python programming. So if you know very well, if you don't know, no problem, I am going to demonstrate. Here I am going to explain Python programming collections, standard library in order to execute various real-time applications. Then advanced Python programming in order to solve data science applications. We are going for advanced Python programming. Then followed by the statistics. This is the statistics syllabus. And artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means intelligent behavior in a machine. Here we are using various techniques like fuzzy logic, soft computing techniques, artificial neural networks, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, ANN and CNN, etc. Then data mining. Data mining is the process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification techniques, clustering techniques, association rule mining techniques, etc. Then followed by the big data technologies. What is meant by big data, why we are using big data, and what are the examples and concepts, and what are the tools and techniques, advantages, disadvantages, research challenges, and algorithms of big data technologies. Then artificial neural networks. This is the syllabus we are using. And machine learning, there are three approaches we are using: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. These are the very three important approaches we are using in machine learning. As a human, we are writing instructions to algorithms that we are feeding to the system, we are training to the system, and the system is understanding that instructions. According to instruction, it can repeat the steps, it can work. That is called machine learning. There are various algorithms we are using.